Welcome to Genius Minds, where learning is fun. Hi there, little genius. This is the letter A. A makes the sound like in ant. Can you say it with me? Amazing. Let's discover 3 animals that start with A. Ant, albatross, aardvark. Wow, you are doing awesome with the letter A. Here comes the letter B. B makes the sound b, like in bear. Say it with me. B. Brilliant. 3 animals starting with B. Bear, butterfly, bison. Meet the letter C. C makes the sound k, like in cat. Let's try k, cool. 3 animals starting with C. Cat, crab, cow. Here is the letter D. D makes the sound d, like in dog. Say it with me. D, delightful. 3 animals starting with D. Dog, deer, dodo. The letter E is here. E makes the sound like an elephant. Say excellent. 3 animals starting with E. Elephant, eagle, eel. Let's look at the letter F. F makes the sound f, like in fox. Say it. F. Fantastic. 3 animals starting with F. Fox, fish, flamingo. Here's the letter G. G makes the sound g, like in goat. Say g, great. 3 animals starting with G. Goat, gorilla, gecko. Say hello to the letter H. H makes the sound h, like in horse. Say happy. 3 animals starting with H. Horse, hedgehog, hippo. The letter I is here. I makes the sound I, like in iguana. Say it. I. Incredible. 3 animals starting with I. Iguana, ibis, immortal jellyfish. Jump into the letter J. J makes the sound j, like in jaguar. Say j, joyful. 3 animals starting with J. Jaguar, jerboa, jackfish. Here comes the letter K. K makes the sound k, like in koala. Say k, kind. 3 animals starting with K. Koala, kangaroo, koi. Look at the letter L. L makes the sound l, like in lion. Say l, lovely. 3 animals starting with L. Lion, lizard, lobster. Meet the letter M. M makes the sound m, like in monkey. Say marvelous. 3 animals starting with M. Monkey, mouse, mink. Here's the letter N. N makes the sound n, like in newt. Say it with me. Nice. 3 animals starting with N. Newt, nightingale, nautilus. Now we have the letter O. O makes the sound O, like an otter. Say O, outstanding. 3 animals starting with O. Otter, ox, owl. Let's play with the letter P. P makes the sound p, like in penguin. Say it. P. Perfect. 3 animals starting with P. Penguin, parrot, panda. Here's the letter Q. Q makes the sound qu, like in quail. Say qu, quietly cool. 3 animals starting with Q. Quail, quacker bird, queen, angelfish. Ready for the letter R? R makes the sound r, like in rabbit. Say it, r, remarkable. 3 animals starting with R: rabbit, rhino, river, otter. Say hello to the letter S. S makes the sound s, like in snake. Say s, super. 3 animals starting with S: snake, shark, swan. Time for the letter T. T makes the sound t, like in tiger. Say it, t. Terrific. 3 animals starting with T: tiger, turkey, turtle. Up next is the letter U. U makes the sound like in urchin. Say unique. 3 animals starting with U: urchin, umbrella bird, Eurymastix lizard. Letter V. V makes the sound v, like in vulture. Say v. Very good. 3 animals starting with V: vulture, viceroy butterfly, vine snake. Wow! Here's the letter W. W makes the sound w, like in whale. Say it, w. Wonderful. 3 animals starting with W: whale, wood duck, wolf. This one's tricky. The letter X. X makes the sound x, like in X-ray fish. Say it, x. Excellent. 3 animals starting with X: X-ray tetra, xenopus frog, xylophonus moth. Yes, it's the letter Y. Y makes the sound w, like in yak. Say it, w. Yippee! 3 animals starting with Y: yak, yellowhammer, yellow anaconda. Zoom to the last letter, Z. Z makes the sound z, like in zebra. Say it, z, zesty. 3 animals starting with Z: zebra, zebra lizard, zander, fish.